Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. I just want to show you guys an item I just picked up off eBay, came in the mail a couple days ago, and I'm ecstatic. I love it, and I've been doing a couple quickies today, a couple 5-minute quick videos sharing some product with you guys, and you know, sometimes a video will go on for a long time. I don't know if you guys have realized this, but some folks have called me kind of long-winded. Imagine that. I do like to talk a lot, and I do enjoy doing this, so I like to share as much information as I can with you folks. So with these ones, for those of you who do click the fast forward button from time to time, this one's going to be a short one. So my wallet was getting kind of old. I used to get some of those like generic kind of printed, designer printed cheap wallets back in the day, like the kind of a checkered Louis Vuitton pattern. I just always like to have a wallet. You know, women like purses. Men, we accessorize with our jackets or our cars. And not saying women don't do that either, but you know, for a guy, we don't carry purses. But I do see a lot of guys with man bags. Nothing wrong with the man bag. I'm gonna get a laptop bag, something a little more stylish, maybe something alligator. I don't know, but you guys know I like leather. I like exotic skins, and so I wanted to pick up a new wallet. There was nothing on my wallet, but you know, I wanted just to have something when I pulled out my wallet to pay for something that it was a conversation starter. If not, I just like it. And that's really what it comes down to, is I like stuff like this, and it's not for everybody. So the wallet I got, and like I said, I'm really into exotic skins, is this bad boy right here, and this is genuine Cobra. The company I bought this from, brand is called Pelgio, something like that. I'll put it in the description. But it came from, I believe, Indonesia, and it took probably about 10 to 12 days because it has to go through customs. The company is authorized legally to import species like this. I'm sure with customs there are specific rules and regulations as far as what comes into the country. Although there are plenty of countries where they can, you know, like you can get stuff off Facebook and places like that. eBay is very specific as far as what's sold on there, and so this has gone through the proper channels to be imported into the United States legally. And again, I'll put a link to the seller store in the description if you want to pick this up. They have alligator, crocodile. They have this one here again is Cobra. They have Cobra hood, so if you want to get the back of the Cobra, that one's a little bit more. They have like a white, some sort of a white water snake. They have python, and I love the way snake looks. I think it's awesome. At a later date, you guys are gonna see me get this custom-made python jacket. It's about $700. I don't want to spend that right now. I kind of want to get a couple other things, but I will get it eventually. Super slick, really flashy. I love it. But in the meantime, I got me a Cobra wallet. Pretty great quality on this here. I'm not sure how long this lasts, or how this, with any kind of snakeskin, you will start to get some of the, I'm not sure what you actually call these. I should have researched it, but some of these will start to lift up a little bit, just like my watch band, but they don't peel all the way up. They just start to get kind of a worn look, kind of like snakeskin or rattlesnake boots get. But it's pretty cool snake. I love the way it looks, and it's pretty funny. I was just cracking it out, showing all my coworkers the other day, and everybody thought it was pretty cool. It's kind of, you know, guys, you know, we don't have the Louis Vuitton purse to rock on our shoulder and show off. So this is our way of showing off, guys. Cobra, and I definitely like the Cobra hood. Cobra hood was about $60. Most of their wallets with more of your generic snake skin like this. Cobra, $36 shipped. Pretty amazing. As far as the interior, it's not snake on the interior. You have just your standard leather. I believe it's like a cowhide. You have a flip-up ID pouch right here with one on the front and back. About 3 slots on each side, and of course you have some slots behind your ID pouch and behind the slots, just like any other wallet. A divider down the middle for your bills or paper, whatever you'll put in there. Obviously, you can see right now this is what I got in my wallet now after the INVICTA yellow tag sale. Pretty amazing. So stay tuned for that. That watch is coming tomorrow. Can't wait to share it with you guys. But let me know what you guys think. I just wanted to share with you guys in under 5 minutes, record time. I'll put links in the description if you want to pick one of these up, showing you guys all the different types of wallets they have. If it's not for you, it's not for you, but I think it's awesome. And I think nothing looks cooler when you bust out a really unique, interesting wallet. You know, black is so boring. Why doesn't black wallet? Get something flashy. You guys love your INVICTA watches. You guys love your Aragon watches. I see all the pictures. I see all the links on Facebook. You know, accessorize with something like this and get some boots to go with it. Awesome. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Click the bell to be notified if you do subscribe anytime, so that anytime I upload a new video, you guys do get a notification on your phone or desktop or whatever app you're using. And as guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you think, and take care.